Hi, I'm Moses. If you're looking for team bonding ideas that don't include trust falls and name games, then this video is for you. Here are 7 fun and easy ways to boost camaraderie in the workplace. Number 1, kick off your next team meeting with an unexpected icebreaker. Don't be afraid to get a little weird with it. You could try a game like 2 Truths and a Lie or Would You Rather. A quick personality quiz is a great way to get to know each other. Number 2, volunteer together. It's a great way to grow as a team. Start by asking employees what organizations they care about. Home in on the 3 or 4 most feasible options and let your team vote. Then, organize a day, or even a half day, as a team to volunteer. Another way to do this is by offering paid time off for volunteering that's separate from regular vacation time. Justworks employees, for example, get 5 days or 40 hours per year of paid volunteer time. Number 3, take a cooking class. Cooking with a group takes teamwork, patience, and precision. And the best part, you get to eat everything you make. You could take a class at a local restaurant or work with a company that specializes in corporate events. Number 4, and my favorite, play games. Organize a card game or board game event. It's easy to host in the office, super inclusive, and doesn't require much in the way of budget. But try to stay away from games like Monopoly or Risk, where individual players are steadily eliminated. The likes of Pandemic or Codenames are team-based and keeps everyone playing until the end. Number 5, try out an escape room with your team. Escape rooms are exactly what they sound like. A group of people trapped in a room where it's up to everyone to work together to find clues and, hopefully, escape. Number 6, host a potluck lunch. There are a ton of ways to do it. You could ask each employee to either bring in a favorite dish to share or one of ethnic significance to them. At the beginning of the potluck, have employees share any anecdotes or cultural context about the dish. This is a great way for everyone to get to know their team members better and expand their culinary horizons in the process. Number 7, ask your team what they'd be interested in doing. Your people might come up with some creative, awesome ideas, and they might surprise you. Chances are, you'll end up planning something they'll really enjoy. And hopefully, your team will even learn how to better collaborate by discovering more about the work style dynamics of the group. I hope you found these team bonding ideas helpful. Whatever activities you choose, foster inclusion. The main point is to make sure everyone can participate and get to know each other. If you're looking for more fun and unique ways to build camaraderie, check out our video on 9 ways to boost employee morale on a budget. It's fine.